Hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the August 2020 Potomac Beads Best Bead Box. So this is actually a new color box for them. So normally it has kind of like a swirl pattern on there. It's kind of like a grayish kind of white color, but this is actually just like a pure white box with no pattern on it. Just a nice smooth, glossy kind of finish. So this month the theme is Poolside Glam, so I can't wait to show you guys that one. And then the pattern that comes with it is the Poolside Glam choker. So that's really nice. So I can't wait to get into this box and show y'all what I've got. So stick around and stay tuned. Alright, so here we go on this Potomac Beads Best Bead Box unboxing. So let's see, here's our pattern, and here is this. So it says, it's called Poolside Glam. The sun glints silver off aqua-colored water, and a gentle breeze rustles the palm fronds overhead. Sounds delightful. I want to be there right now. An umbrella floats in a frothy pink drink nearby as you slather on coconut-scented sunscreen. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and relax with this month's Poolside Glam subscription box. I feel like I can smell it already. So in here we have this list. This side tells you what comes for the necklace and for the pattern that they send, and then this is just beads for your stash. So let's take a look and see what we got. I love, it says hues of aqua, green, and blue. Those are some of my favorite colors. So check it out. Alright, so now normally they have been putting all the things for the pattern in one bag and everything else in another bag. They actually did not bag up these unless they did and I took them out of the bag. That's totally possible. Alright, so let's see what we got here. So it says one tropical leaf resin pendant. That'd be this guy. So this actually makes me think of a tiger fish. Is that what you would call that? Tiger shark fish? I think that's what it's called. I could be making that up. There we go. Let's give this a little more light. So there you go. So it's a nice little leaf pendant. It is double-sided. The pattern is definitely going to vary on that. It is resin. So that's fun. I'm going to put these back in their packets. Okay, so the next is one pair of gold monstera leaf earrings. So these are actually earrings. So they have posts on the back of them. Now they do have some small holes in the middle here that I suppose you can attach things with. So there's those. You can see they have the posts on them. They have little protectors on the posts, just like little plastic or rubber, actually silicone or something, rubber tubes on there. So those are fun. I'm not sure what I would hang or do from those, but they're definitely very fun. Can't argue that. Alright, so then up next is a glass cabochon 20 millimeters. So this one here. So it has some banana leaves on there. Here we go. So that's fun. It is a glass cabochon, so there's nothing on the back. You can see that white lining that's in there. You can see that on the back. That's what is showing through on the front. Alright, so then up next is 3 grams of O beads. So that would be these here. So they're basically like little donuts. They're definitely multicolored. I see a lot of blue in there, but they're definitely multicolored. So you can see lots of different colors in there. So those are fun. See a lot of blue and silver in that. I really like these though. It's a pretty color. Nice little spacer beads there. Alright, so then up next it says 4 grams of faceted pony beads. So those are fun. They're check glass. Faceted pony beads. So pony beads you typically think of as being kid beads. this would definitely not be a kid bead. Their check glass are very pretty. I like the colors in there. They kind of have like a marbled look to them. There you go. So those are fun. Alright, up next is 4 grams of 2-hole bars. So I'm going to guess that's this. No. 4 grams of 2-hole bars. 2 beads. Alright, this says 2H bar, so I'm going to assume that's this. So when it said 2-hole bars, I was definitely thinking metal bars for some reason. These are definitely glass. Very pretty color. Nice kind of clear blue. You should think of the nice clear blue water. Actually, it makes me think of going to a pool. Very pretty though. I like that color. Alright, so then next is the tubelet beads. So that's this. So we got 4 grams of tubelet beads. So basically just little spacer tubes. There's 4 grams of them in there. It doesn't say how long they are. I had to guess, I'd say, I don't know, maybe 8 millimeters. So that's just a guess. I don't really know. Alright, so then next we have 10 grams of lava beads, round 8 millimeter. These are in white. So those are fun. I've never had any white lava beads. So that's fun. Alright, and then next is the Super 8 beads. So we have 3 grams of Super 8 beads. So basically they just look like super duos. But I don't know. I haven't really done anything with super duos, so I could be wrong on this, but it seems like the ends are skinnier. And then the middle part where it comes out a little more. But it also seems like they're just smaller. Yeah, I don't really know. I don't know what the difference is with Super 8 versus a Super Duo. I don't know if it's just brand kind of thing, or if the bead is shaped slightly different. Alright, so up next we have 2 antique silver square frames. They're a 15 millimeter square. So we have 2 of these. So I'm not sure what I'll do with 2 15 millimeter squares, but my first thought is to make them diamonds on earrings, and you know, hang a ring from the top and then a ring from the bottom. That's just my first thought of what I would think would be fun to do with these. But I guess we'll see. Alright, then up next is 2 pewter rings. So these definitely work together like cogs with the little bumps they have on the outside. So that's fun. They're nice, definitely very solid. They're pewter, so I like them. They're fun. Looks like kind of like cogs. Alright, and then the last thing out of this is 1 cosmic ring. So you can see it has some nice faceting. It is glass and it's a ring, so it seems a little fragile to me, but we're going to go with it. Alright, and then the next things here are for the Poolside Glam choker. So this is for the pattern here. It makes a 14-inch long choker, so that'll be fun to make. So basically we got some Miyuki sea beads, 15-0 here in silver. We have a small pewter toggle. And then we have a PC cushion jet. So that's fun. And then we have some PC rondelles, loose beads, use care when opening package. That's very nice of them. So There you go. All right. So, oh, PC is Potomac crystal. I'm like trying to figure out what is PC. PC is Potomac crystal. All right. So that was everything for this box. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'd love to have you be able to come back and watch future videos. And go ahead and comment anything you want to comment on this video. I love getting comments, and I will definitely reply back to you. If I don't reply back right away, as soon as I see it or get back to it, I will definitely do it then. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Have a great night, and I'll see you next time. Bye.